Greetings viewer. Welcome back to another video. So today we are going to type a program which would display the longest substring in an entered string. As usual, you can pause the video and try writing the solution yourself. So now let us begin with the program. So the basic step would be to take the input string from the user defines as str1. Now to access each substring from the string we write word equal to str1.split. So the split function has assigned different substrings from the string to word. Now to count the length of string we define another define named x which is equal to 0. Also to assign the substring with maximum elements we write max word as an empty string. Now we will write for I in word. Length equal to len I. Now we will compare the lengths of substrings, so we write if length is greater than x and I dot is alpha double equal to true colon. X equal to length and max word equal to I. Now to print the final answer we write print the substring with maximum letters is max word. Now if we run the program and type a string we can see that the output shown is the substring with the maximum letters. So the program works fine. Hence we are done for now. If you liked the video then appreciate it by giving a thumbs up. If watching my videos for the first time then subscribe to the channel as it is being shown at the corner and also share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.